We have a beautiful algebraic problem here. 256 to the power x is equals to 1 by x, and we have to find out the value of x. Now let us see what is the step-by-step solution. Now here 256 to the power x is equals to 1 by x. We have a law of indices that a to the power m is equals to b to the power n. Then we can write a to the power m to the power p is equals to b to the power n to the power p. So this we will now apply in this, and we will do the power of 1 by x on both sides. Now we have another law of indices that says a to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So this is another law that we will again apply here at this step. So this becomes 256 to the power x into 1 by x equals to 1 by x to the power 1 by x. Now this x and x cancels out, and we get 1 by x to the power 1 by x is equals to 256. Now if we factorize 256, see what we get. So we can write 256 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 2 to the power 8. Also, we can write this as 2 squared to the power 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So, 2 squared is 4 to the power 4. So, now here, in this step, we can write it as 1 by x to the power 1 by x is equals to 4 to the power 4. Now, if something to the power the same thing is equals to a numeric number to the power that numeric number, then we can write that from here 1 by x is equals to 4. And from here we can write x is equals to 1 by 4. This is the final answer.